Good day. Welcome back to our discussion, especially now we are now on the topic division of algebraic expression. So we simply have no division. I think we already have completed multiplication. We have two expression multiplied to each other. Now let's do the division. Okay, and division is quite easy as long as we follow simple steps or rules. So, mag-divide og monomial kay pare-pareho lang po sa mag-divide ka og numbers. For example, let's have this. Okay, we have this. We're instructed to divide negative 30x cubed y cubed z to the fifth plus 24x squared y to the fourth z cubed minus 18x to the fifth y cubed z squared by this term 6x squared y squared z. Now, ipa-divide din siya sa imuha. Ang pinaka-kuan diri karon kung mag-divide lang ka og monomial, meaning isa lang ka term ang imong ikuan, walay naka-plus lain dani, single term lang, single group lang ang imong divisor. It's easy. You can simply divide term by term. Okay? So bali i-divide mo na karon mura ra og i-divide mo siya term by term. So we have 30x cubed y cubed z to the fifth divided by 6x squared y squared z, then plus 24x squared y fourth z cubed divided by 6x squared y squared z. And the term now, you just simply what? Divide continuously z to the c squared over 6x squared y squared z, and we simplify now. Well, 30. So we divide now the numerical the numbers, divide the numbers together. Negative 30 over 6, that's what? Negative 5, right? X cubed over x squared. Simply, usaka mo ng 2 sa taas, no? May mo negative 2, so we will have x 3 minus 2, that's what about x. Y cubed over y squared, that's what? Y. Z to the fifth over z, that's z to the, well, z to the fourth. Here we have 24 divided by 6, that's 4. X squared divided by x squared, that's 0 or 1. X to the 0 or 1, so we don't put the 1 in there. Y to the fourth over y squared, that's y squared. Z cubed over z, that's z squared. Minus this one, 18 divided by 6, that's 3. X to the fifth divided x squared, that's x cubed. Y cubed divided by y squared, that's y. Z squared divided by z, that's z. Okay? All in all, we have this answer. Okay? So bali, we simply divide them term by term. Let's try another one. Okay, we are given by this problem. Divide 8x to the 8n minus 6x to the 6n by 2x to the 2n. So more or less, we have this expression. 8x to the 8n minus 6x to the 6n over what? Over 2x to the 2n. Okay? Simply now, we can simply divide it term by term. Okay, we simplify this term by term. We have 8x to the 8n over 2x to the 2n minus 6x to the 6n over 2x to the 2n. Okay, and we simplify that. What is 8 divided by 2? That's 4. X to the 8n minus x to the 2n. That's simply what? 8 to the, no, that's x. X to the what? 8n minus 2n, right? What ako simplify na? Minus 6 divided by 3, that's 2. X to the 6n minus 2n. Or as when we simplify this will become 4 x to the what? What is 8n minus 2n? That's 6n minus 2 times x to the 4n. Okay, so this is so this is our 6 divided by 2. It's not 3, but it's not 2 but 3, right? So more or less ingan na ang ato ang answer. Okay, now of course, you must note that 6 is not part of the 6n. It's only the x raised to the 6n. So that is the idea. So when we divide algebraic expression, if kung atong divisor kay monomial lang, meaning single term, single group of expression is sayon lang no, term by term. But if we happen to be dividing terms like if you divide it by multinomial, so we'll be all doing either long division, or we will do um, a synthetic division for that. So that will be discussed in the next video. Thank you.